Listen and read.
A. Drug. Enough. Harm. Meal. Obese. Almost. Quick. Smoke. Fast food. Junk food. B. Drug. To take drugs. To use drugs. A drug user. Jenny has never taken drugs in her life, and she says she never will. No drug taking. Aspirin is a popular drug which some people take. Enough. Enough food. Enough time. Are there enough vegetables to make a salad? Harm. A lot of harm. No harm. To do harm. It'll do you no harm to spend some time outdoors. In fact, it will do you good. If you spend a lot of time in front of the computer, it does you more harm than good. Meal. To have 3 meals a day. To go out for a meal. To cook, prepare, make a meal. A tasty meal. When do you have your evening meal? Yesterday, Dad cooked us a tasty meal. Obese. Obese people. To be obese is dangerous for your health. Obese people have a lot of problems traveling. Almost. Almost a year. Almost everyone. Almost all. Are you ready? Almost. I'm just putting my shoes on. Sam's almost as tall as his father. Quick. A quick worker. A quick learner. To be quick. Please be quick and do something. Quickly. To do things quickly. She went quickly out of the room. We have to work quickly. Smoke. A cloud of black smoke. There's no smoke without fire. Don't smoke. Smoking may damage your health. Fast food. Fast food is food like hamburgers or cheeseburgers. Fast food can be harmful. Junk food. Junk food is unhealthy because there is a lot of fat, salt or sugar in it. Chips, sweets and cakes are junk food.